The signal is stable. I have a lock.
He is just ahead. We must be very quiet now.
Stay low. It's right above us.
Got it.
A specialized soft net ensures a gentle capture, allowing the team to begin the immediate health protocol for our newest star.
Vitals are stable, pulse and hydration levels are optimal. Preparing the transport cradle now.
Inside the facility, we run a full battery of tests.
We are now scanning the unique biometric data of the Proboscis monkey's essentials.
The automated washing tunnel activates, beginning stage 1 of the deep wash with soft bristle cylinders.
To achieve that perfect look, we use digital precision trimmers to contour the facial fur, ensuring clarity for the 3D scanning process.
Scan preferred texture achieved.
Yes, that's it. Try here. Good boy.
To turn rare creatures into ad stars, we first need a perfect 3D model. This 360-degree...
Inside the Proboscis Monkey Media Facility, I don't tune it. How rare creatures become ad stars.
The first step is to get the animal comfortable in the motion capture arena. The infrared...
The sitting posture looks stable. Go ahead and save that sequence.
Roger that.
Monkey Motion Pack V1.
Master Rig V1 approved. Send it to lighting.
All right, that matches the reference footage exactly. Great work, we are good to go.
Inside the Proboscis Monkey Media Facility, how rare creatures become ad stars.
The first shot is selected. We're doing the hero nose close-up. Get ready to film.
Okay, sequence complete. Zoom in tight on the face for the emotion shot. Perfect, that close-up works. Now, let's look at the movement data for the next sequence. We need more weight in the shoulders.
Smooth rotation coming around now. And hold it right there. Beautiful, beautiful. That's the shot.
Okay, hold the shot.
And we got the bite.
Looks great. Let's review the angles.
Let's finesse the lighting right here.
How does that look?
Much better. Okay, batch 1 is locked.
Risers are secure. Hold it right there.
Scanning now. Calibration locked.
All right, clear. Good job, everyone.
Hold it right there. Beautiful. And cut.
The data looks clean from this angle. Make sure the shadows are precise.
Got it. Archiving the files now.
The monkey footage looks great. Let's align the wireframes here.
Importing the high-res textures now.
Once the edge blending is complete, the focus shifts to the physically accurate shadows and the reflection pass on the fur.
The render looks incredible. We need to push this across all platforms by the hour.
The social assets are ready to deploy.
Turning rare creatures into ad stars requires precision. With the Instagram portrait, YouTube thumbnail, and billboard.
Make sure the nose is perfectly centered.
It is. I'm finishing the staples now. We are ready for installation.
Once the CGI rendering is approved, we move it straight to the vehicle branding bay. The wrap has to be applied perfectly to catch the public's eye.
Sequence 7 to gold. Stand by for director approval.
Perfect, Aida. We're good to go.
Okay, the lower third is set. Looks like the pipeline is armed. We're ready for air.
Initiating global distribution now.
Regions are locking in, almost there.
Confirmed. We are live worldwide.
All crates accounted for on the manifest.
Stamping the final approval now. They should be ready for dispatch.
Okay, pull it up slowly. Watch the corner there. I got it. Look straight to me.
Lighting test approved.
One, two.
And we are live. Well done, team.
Looks incredible. Congratulations.
And just like that, the rare creature becomes an ad star. The global broadcast is a massive success.
No way, look at the detail on the fur. That wink, that actually got me. This is amazing work.
Report version 1 is saved. Look at that sentiment spike.
The nose focus strategy is working better than expected.